So this song's really easy. We've got one chord progression that's going to repeat for the entire song. Start with your capo on your 3rd fret, and then we're just going to be switching from an E minor to a C to the only tricky chord in the song, the B7. If you're new to that chord, just take a look at the chord diagram on the screen, but it might take you a little bit to get, so you might want to try practicing just the chord changes for a little bit. But once you've got the idea of the chords, you can try slowly, and this is the rhythm we're going to be playing. So what we're doing here is starting on the E minor, and we're going to go down, down, up, then switch to the C, down, down, and then to the B7, up, 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 down, up. So you can follow along with the diagrams on the screen to help you out, and try and follow along with my playing in the rest of this video. But really, that's all there is to it. Now, you can try, if you want, just doing different variations of strumming patterns or different types of strumming patterns throughout the song. You know, when Young Thug's rapping part comes in, it gets quieter there, so you might want to try doing something like just a single strum on each chord. So the biggest thing to know is that you can change up the strumming pattern, and as long as the chords still change at the same place, you can use that to kind of vary the song. So even though there's only one chord progression for this whole song, you can make it pretty interesting by just switching up the strumming patterns in different places. So you might start with the verse and the first chorus with our main pattern. And then when Young Thug comes in, you might want to just play single chords. And in the choruses, you might want to be a little livelier than the whole thing and just add a few more strums in here or there. But as long as you keep the general idea, basically you can experiment and try different things out. So that's what I'm doing in the play along here, is I'm just playing the same chord progression through the whole thing, but I'm using a few different types of strumming patterns just to make things a little more interesting. If you like this video, the next step is to click on this button right here so I can deliver all the coolest guitar content straight to your YouTube homepage. Got it? Okay, now click on that one or that one and launch your next guitar adventure.